everyone, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my unorganized closet. It's been a crazy few months. As you may have seen on my social media, I've been traveling nonstop for the past 4 months. I was literally home for 2 days, 2 separate days, and it was just to like switch out my luggage. So it's been crazy. So I know I've been MIA. Regarding my giveaway, I know a lot of you guys are anxious to find out who won. My giveaway announcement is coming soon. Yesterday I was on Instagram and I couldn't help but notice that Kim Kardashian, Makeup by Mario, and Chris Appleton all posted this look on Kim Kardashian, and I was like, oh my god, I have to like do this at some point. And I decided that since I'm gonna do it today for my friend's birthday celebration, I might as well do a tutorial. So this is like a half up, half down look, and as you can see, it just looks like one nice like thick ponytail, totally Ariana Grande inspired, but Kim Kardashian just snatched it. So this is half up, half down. As you can see, this is one ponytail and the rest of the hair is totally flat in the back, but the way that it's styled, it literally just looks so like edgy, so now, it's like so everything, and I feel so hot with this hairstyle. So let's just go ahead and get right into this tutorial. Here we go. Alright guys, so first things first, let me go ahead and go through everything that we will need. You may or may not need some hairspray to hold your hair, and I like to spray the clips of my hair extensions before I clip it into my hair because it holds it in longer. And if you have a crazy ass forehead like me, as you can see right here, it looks like I have a receding hairline. It's been like that my whole life, but I like to cover it up with root concealer spray. You can also use some eyebrow powder if you want to just like cover that up and get your hairline perfect. And then of course a hairbrush, and since my hair is like 4 inches long, I'm also gonna need some hair extensions. And these are the Goldilocks clip-in hair extensions. I adore these. I'll go ahead and link them down below. The reason why I love them is because the closure, I don't know what you call this, is like a tape-in hair extension, so it lays flat on your head and it's literally invisible once it's in your hair. Okay, so this hairstyle is more of like a 3/4 up and 1/4 down, more than like half up, half down, because I've noticed the way that he parted her hair is that he started way in the back, like behind her ear. If you're doing like a normal half up, half down, you would start like literally in the half, and I've seen a lot of people just do this top half up. So here we go. I'm starting like literally at the end of my ears, and I'm just gonna go ahead and section it, and I'm gonna go ahead and pull that section all the way up to the crown of my hair. So this doesn't have to be perfect, but this is pretty much where the section is gonna be. And I'm gonna take all of this hair right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and clip this top because we'll get to this section a little bit later. So let's just go ahead and start putting in extensions on this entire bottom section. Alright, so to get my hair to hold the hair extension, I'm going to go ahead and spray the clips with hairspray. And once they get a little bit sticky, I'm taking this first section and I'm actually going to clip it upside down. So the clips are going to be facing up, just like this, at the very bottom of my hair. And this is going to help the extensions to blend perfectly since the length difference is so drastic. Alright, so we're moving right up to the next section, and I'm just putting in my next set of extensions. And once again, I'm just spraying the clips with hairspray so that they get a little sticky and they stick to my hair. My next section is a little bit more narrow, so I'm going to use one with 2 clips. Alright, so that is basically it for my bottom half of my hair. As you can tell, I have like this really nice length here. It looks super thick and blended. And now we're going to work on the top, where it's going to be a high ponytail at the crown and it's going to blend in. But of course we need some extensions here too. So I'm going to go ahead and separate and clip this bottom half so that it stays out of the way. I'm just going to go ahead and use this clip that I was using before. And I'm going to go ahead and start putting in extensions here, and of course I'm going to put them in the direction of my ponytail. And I'm putting in my final piece, which is one with 2 clips. So the next step is to comb the top section that we sectioned off into a high ponytail. So I'm just going to go ahead and brush everything up and secure it into a hair tie. So I wanted that to be like literally straight on top of my head, and I kind of like the exposed elastic, so I think I'm going to keep it like that. If you want to, you can go ahead and take a piece and like wrap it around the hair tie. And then all you have to do is just take out this bottom section And we've got that KKW half up pony going on, but as you can see, we've just got a little bit of an issue with my forehead. So what I like to do is I take the Rita Hazan root concealer spray, which is just a root concealer for people that have exposed grays, and instead of spraying this for my roots, I'm going to use it for my hairline. So I'm going to go ahead and use this as like a little protectant to protect my makeup, and here we go. It's like magic, it fills in my hairline. Alright, so I did end up wrapping the hair around my ponytail to conceal it, but this is the final look. I feel like I'm a little bit dark, so let me just like brighten you guys up a little bit. Okay, yeah, that's better. So now you can see the final look. It literally looks like one giant ponytail that starts out really skinny on top and then just like gets bigger and thicker on the bottom. This is like a brilliant like ponytail masterpiece. I really hope to see this as a major trend this summer because it's one of the easiest looks that you can do. And I just feel like it's like a nice like look if you're just trying to get ready in a hurry but you don't want to look like your basic old self. This is like a really nice way to switch it up. So thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial, and if you found it helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more fun tutorials, vlogs, and so much more. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.